nafasi pia.
Thutha wa kigomano kia arimi a kahua kiria kirega kaunti-ini ya Meru, arimi matanyite kuona mogaruruku na to sekta-ini ya urimi wa kahua. Amu thirikari ni iraniire kugacirithia sekta ciothe cia urimi ari hamwe na urimi wa iria.
Na hakuna vile tutakubali wakulima wafinywe, kwa sababu wakifinywa sisi tutafinyiliwa hapo ndani. Hii maziwa tutasort out. Tunataka board of directors, mtakuja na waziri tuketi tukubaliane.
Urimi ni gatagati ga sekta iricagagira muno hari ukuria wa bururi. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua akiuga thirikari ni uhotorete kwehereria arimi mihinga iria toire irigiriirie megire na umithio thenge ya wira murito.
We are implementing far-reaching reforms in the dairy subsector. Key among them is rooting out cartels and brokers who have taken the farmer hostage for selfish gains for too long.
Gachagua araragia o hindi ya icera kiganda-ini kia iria gia KCC mwena wa Dandora guuku Nairobi. Ino arimwe ya sekta iria thirikari itanyite kugacirithia.
We are going to create market for new KCC among government institutions. The reason being, if we get market for new KCC and good prices, KCC can take the lead in increasing the price for the farmer.
All our governors would support us in the milk school feeding program, especially for ECDs. That market alone, we are not eating to a new market, Your Excellency. We are increasing consumption. And what it means is, even if this kid has taken a glass of milk from home, if they would take another packet, 200 ml in school, that market alone per year is 3 billion.
Niguo kugacirithia maumirira ma urimi, anyiti itemi ni moritio guthundura njira cia kwambatiria ikiro urimi-ini kuringana na utaramu wa kiriu.
The new KCC must lead in diversification to even more valuable products beyond the powdering of milk and traditional products.
A huge cost going into packaging materials, and I think the MD has alluded when you are having a small session internally there. We need to look at the cost of packaging and also the equipment that go to the dairy sector, that is the machinery edge to edge.
Maya mokite riri Gachagua atanyitwo gucera kaunti-ini ya Kericho kigomano-ini kia arimi a macani niguo kwarira mitaratara makiria ya kugacirithia urimi sekta-ini ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Kwambatiria.